ChatGPT and Canva are the ultimate combo. You can create over 100 social media posts in seconds. Here's how to do it with just one prompt. Start by heading over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate 20 quotes about a topic of your choice. In this case, we'll use AI in marketing. We'll also ask it to include a call to action and to mention a day of the week. You can use my prompt for reference. Now that the quotes are done, head over to Canva and find a template you like or design your own. I like this one. I'm just going to make some small changes to make room for where the content will go. Once you're happy with your template, click Apps on the left and choose Bulk Select. Now click Enter Data manually, and go back to ChatGPT and copy the content in the table it gave to us. Now just paste the content into the table here and click Done. Now we just have to connect the data. Go over to the placeholder text you had set, right-click and click Connect Data. We're just linking the ChatGPT content to the appropriate text here. For example, quote will be where we want all our quotes to go. Once you've connected all your text, just click Generate and watch the magic happen. Boom! We now have over 20 posts that are ready to go live. Make any other changes you might want to, and just download. The results are amazing, and it's going to save you so much time. If you found this useful, access the ultimate list of over 2,000 AI tools in my free weekly AI newsletter. Don't miss out.